This video is to show how our first robot works, how to set it up, and how it's maneuvered. You can see it in a 20-foot container, taking out all the equipment that's needed with it, like the cables, etc. It is turned on and it drives out on its own. Here you can see the mixer and the pump. Here are the cables, computer, and everything that is needed to run the robot. Taking everything out and hooking everything up. Turning it on, and now the legs will be extended, but first they are fastened and secured, then they're pulled up. You can see the legs going down, lifting the robot up to give it stability. Here, the program is being loaded to print all the different things that can be done. The robot arm is then raised and extended. Here you can see the loops that are put on for the hose that feeds the concrete. This is the printer head, which is now secure once all of the loops are in place. The hose for concrete, geopolymer, will be pushed through and fastened. This is the pump and the mixer, which will then feed the concrete from the silo into the printer head, and you can see how it will then be printing a wall or whatever structure we are printing at that moment. Here is just an example of how everything is set up and how everything works. Here's the 20-foot container containing everything needed to print and to build a house. And here you can see an animation of the whole process. Here you can see it in action, actually printing the walls of a house, and we measure it to make sure that everything is correct and that we have the right height. This is the end of a day. Here you can see the silo with the feed for the concrete. Here it is in action printing the house. Also for the animation you can see how a whole house would be printed. This is without a roof, but it's just an example. We are printing all of the exterior walls for the house that we are building on the foundation. And here you can see all of the people just viewing what we are doing. Once we have finished, the legs are then contracted, folded and fastened down, and the robot drives out by itself. Here the rebar is being cut off and the insides of the walls are being filled. Here you can see cutting the holes for the electrical and also for the plumbing. Here is the building when it's finished, and here is a sky view of the printed building.